As it is speaking day, being Saturday, so you know very well that this day we speak on some topic. Here we have the students of all the batches like B11 and B18. B18 students are new, but today they will be given a topic to speak. For the students of B18, today's topic is my father. And for the students of B11, the topic is, would you like to give the name of topic? This is I am asking from the students of B18. Would you like to give the topic to the students of
Sir,
B11? Yes.
the importance of newspaper.
No, I am not asking you. This is my question to the students of B18. If they want to suggest any topic for the students of B11, they are most welcome.
Sir, politics.
Politics. Okay. So this is the topic for the students of B11. But if any of the students of B18 want to speak on the same topic, they can speak. Okay. So I'm about to start the class. So I would like you to give your names in the chat box. Yes. Politics. Is there any doubt? Harshit? Sushil?
No, sir.
Very good. Shabash.
Sir, we are ready.
Rohit Harsh?
No, sir.
Very good. Shabash. This is a type of challenge. If someone thinks that they can't, I think that they can. So today again we have a topic that has been given by the student of B18. So please write down your names. Hurry up. Come on. And my father is the topic for the students of B18. Is there no one ready to speak on politics? Very good. Harshit, Rohit, Harsh, Shabash. So now listen to them carefully. And also the students of B18 can write their names down in the chat box for their topic. But if they also want to speak on the topic of politics, they can speak. Okay. So yes, I'm starting with Harshit. Yes, come on, Harshit. And now all will listen to him carefully.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Harshit More. I'm the student of Raman online interactive classes. Today's our topic is politics. As we all know very well that India is a democratic country, and here are many societies and many states that has to be owned by government. And in a simple manner, you can say politics a way of government, because the word politics is used for the uh, for the works that are done by the parshads, MLAs, etc. So politics politics in democratic country, politics is very important for all, because as it is a democratic country, to save the rights of every people,
Shabash, very good.
sir. It is important to have a political country. Nowadays you can see everywhere politics in India, and like some days earlier the elections were held and BJP won. Uh, Means NDA. So now their politics will run. Rather, if they want to develop, uh, uh, they will develop our country, and so politics will be important for them to know that what is going on in any field. Uh, and Nowadays politics is being used sometimes in bad manner, like sometimes there are jobs and someone who has a nice connection with some MLAs who are corrupted, sorry sir, who are bad and polluting corruption. Then those some students to go to them and say them that by your politics, if you can make us pass in these types of examination, then you can, and there are some chances that the the person may take this. In every field, politics is used in developing the country and making the country bad. But in the examinations like UPSC, there can't be these types of manners. Uh, in my view, politics is important in our democratic country to develop our cities, our states, and our country. That's it, sir.
Shabash, very nice. Very good, beta. Yes, now. Rohit.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Rohit Yadav, and today I'm going to tell you about politics. As you all know that India is a democratic country, in India, in India, and the government is ruled by the rulers, and as you know that politics, this word is very important, because without politics, or without any a common mindset to run a country, we cannot develop our country. Like if someone wants to do something in the country, like any chief minister or prime minister, then there should be something in his mind, or the way by which he develops the country. This means politics. Uh, Politics means how we can do development in the country. And as you know that many of the rulers, like chief minister, MLA, MPs, these types of government servers are doing a lot for the country, and they help a country in developing. And as you know that nowadays many people, there is no chance, but there are some people who don't do their work with politeness, and sometimes they take goose. So because of these, some people say that politics is the field in which there are the people who are not good. And so because of this, many people who have the dream to go in politics
Nice.
um, reject their dream to go in politics, because the pressure, or the at the things which are tell about the politics are wrong by the people, because there is not anything in the hand of only one person, like our prime minister. Anything can happen anytime, so that we at the small things, we should not we do not sorry sir, we should not say anything to any field or anything. That's it.
Very good. Nice, Rohit. Shabash. Yes, Harsh.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening everyone. My name is Harsh Yadav, and today my topic is politics. As we all know that India is a democratic country, and in India there are lot of government workers that work for our country to develop it, and the person who work a lot for our country, like prime minister, chief minister, MPs, MLAs. These persons are known as politicians, and the work that they do is known as politics. And many people, a lot of people say that politics is a dirty path in which any person goes, he become a criminal. He starts to take goose, but it is
Bribe.
bribe. Bribe. He starts to take bribe, but it is wrong, because there are only some persons in the world who take bribe, or cheat their country, uh, otherwise. And all the persons in polit all the persons who works for government of India are government are not government servers, they are government helper who help to develop a country. And we should not सर कुछ क्या बोलेंगे उसको, कि कुछ बुरा भला ना कहना चाहिए, सर कुछ बुरा भला ना कहना चाहिए उनको. We should not speak wrong about them, that they are taking bribe, they are cheating the country. We should say them that you are helping a country lot, by the support of you. Our country is developing in this. By saying this, our country becomes strong, because then the people who are helping our country in developing, their confidence level goes up, and they start working more hard. They start working harder than they are doing now. So I think that we should not say that politics is a dirty path in which any person goes, he become a criminal. That's it, sir.
Shabash. Yes, come on, Sushil.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Sushil, and I am the student of the Ramban online interactive classes from B16. And today, again, we have a session of speaking. And today, our topic is politics. Politics means group of many people, and there are many people in politics, and the person who wants to do something good for our nation, that comes in politics. And first of all, they fight elections, and uh, then they सर संभालते हुए कहते हैं, पद संभालते हैं.
Then they take over.
Yes, sir. Then they take over seat, like CM, PM, and MLA, and Sarpanch, etc. And you know very well that some people think that all leaders are wrong, and they all take bribe. But this is wrong. All are not wrong. But most of people are wrong, who and they make our society bad. Like if they have power, so they misuse of their powers. In our democratic country, there are many parties like BJP, Congress, and and yes, sir, and and Aam Janata Party, etc. And and they fight elections and they enter in politics.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया बोल रहे हो, वेरी गुड.
So, some leader are good and they really want to do something for our nation good. Like they make roads and they plan new they plan new. सर योजना को क्या बोलते हैं? योजना.
Policies.
Yes, sir. And they plan new policies for us. And as I told that there are many parties in our country, and and one party wins the vote. And second is very important because when winner party do something wrong, then against party ask for that why are you doing this? And this is very important for our because if they are not, so सर मनमर्जी क्या कहते हैं?
आप मनमर्जी को कह सकते हो, आपकी डिक्टेटरशिप कह सकते हो एक तरीके से. आप यही हो गया ना, तानाशाही करना.
हाँ सर.
कुछ भी किया आपने. हाँ
सर. And they dictators according to their wish. So I can say that politics is not wrong. This is wrong. This is politics is very important to make our country good. So that's it.
वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, शाबाश. कोशिश करते रहो बस, बाकी प्रैक्टिस की चीजें, सब कुछ हो जाएगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. यस, कम ऑन कबीर.
Hello everyone, today's my topic is my father. As we know that father is very important to us because he fulfills our requirements. And so today's my topic is my father. My father name is Mr. Vishnu Kumar Sahu.
बोलते रहो, शाबाश, बोलते रहो.
His age is 39 years old. He likes to play with her. We like to play with us.
Your voice is not clear. Make it clear. Yes.
Hello sir, आ रही है?
आ तो रही है, पर बोलो, देखते हैं फिर.
He likes to do many things.
बोलते रहो.
Like play with us and many things. He is a shopkeeper. He go to temple daily. He goes to temple daily. He worships God.
देख के तो नहीं बोल रहे कहीं से?
No sir, देख लो.
हाँ नहीं नहीं, कोई बात नहीं, बोलो, आप बोलो.
He worship God. He is very powerful person.
बोलते रहो, फ्लो लाओ थोड़ा सा बोलने में.
Because he is my superhero.
शाबाश, बोलते रहो.
He give me money and phone. And phone. Yes sir, that's it.
कोई बात नहीं बेटा, बहुत अच्छा कोशिश किया तुमने, शाबाश. वर्ब फॉर्म का ध्यान रखा करो आप, है ना? हाँ बेटा, वर्ब फॉर्म का ध्यान रखा करो बेटा. यामिनी.
Yes sir. Hello everyone, my name is Yashashvi Sahu and I am the student of Ramban English Online Interactive Classes from batch B18. Today my topic is politics. So what is the politics? Politics is the basic need of a democratic country.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ.
First of all, we have to know why and where we have to use politics.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, बोलती रहे, वेरी गुड, फोकस करके बोलती रहे बस.
A democratic country. The democratic country wants
डेमोक्रेसी नहीं,
democratic country in which the people vote their content क्या बोलते हैं contentments and they choose their leaders and the group of those leaders make the politics. These these politicians developed our country by which our country become good day by day. The politics has so many types. In easy language, we can say the group of government workers are the politics. These politics workers are these politics workers do hard work for our country. These politics makes our army and our economic system strong. A person who wants to do something for the nation, he join the politics and do so many things. Some people said that the politics are dirty, but I said the politics is not dirty. People who has the more power than any other leaders, they make the politics bad and dirty. These politicians use his power for only earning money. They don't want the development of nation. By these politicians, our politics become dirty. But our politics has some good politicians.
Very good.
Like Narendra Modi, who always try to develop our country. The Modi government developed the economics of roads. We can say now in the present we can say that India is the number one place in road lines. The Modi Sarkar tries to decrease the कर्जे को क्या बोलते हैं? Loan.
Debts, हाँ, बोलो.
Debts. The Modi Sarkar tries to Modi government tries to decrease our debt, our nation's debt. The politics strong our army system. These politicians give money. These politicians take tax for our nation and improve the condition of our nation. They improve the fields of everything like clothes fields, economics fields, etc. So these politicians are good and bad both. This is important what we think about it. Thank you, sir.
Very good, shabash beta. Very good. Actually, Yamini is oldest student, so she has developed her capability, and you will also develop. This is for the students of B18, and now I'm calling Aditya. Come on, Aditya. No, Vaishnavi. Sorry. Vaishnavi.
Hello everyone, my name is Vaishnavi and I am the student of Ramban Interactive Online Classes from B18. Today my topic is my father. My father's name is Dr. Kamlesh Kumar Sarsar and he is a professor in history. He is 45 years and he was born on 12 December 1975.
Very good.
His birthplace is Rajgarh, Alwar, and his paternal house is Rajgarh. And
He's
his
in
favorite
Rajgarh.
color, yes,
बोलो शाबाश, अच्छा बेटा, बहुत अच्छा बोल रहा है बेटा, बोल.
his favorite color is black, and his favorite food is dal bati churma.
शाबाश.
And he fulfills all my wishes. And he works at Government College Bandikui. And he goes to college daily.
शाबाश.
And he never do holiday. And he is a very hardworking person. He is not a lazy person.
शाबाश शाबाश, very good.
He watches TV. He watches TV, and he looks very nice. He's a religious person.
शाबाश बेटा, very good.
His father's name is Mr. Jagdish Sarsar, and his mother's name is Mrs. Kamala Devi. And he has two brother and one sister.
शाबाश बेटा, हाँ बेटा बोलती जा.
And he loves my mother so much, and he is very close to me, and he cares everyone. And he brings fruits and vegetables and essential things for us.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा कोशिश कर रहे हो बेटा. हाँ.
And he likes cleanness so much. I like my father very much. That's it.
शाबाश बेटा, nice speaking, very nice speaking. शाबाश बेटा. Yes, now I'm calling Aditya.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Dhanawat. I am a student of Ramban English Interactive Online Classes.
शाबाश.
Today's my topic is father. My father's name is Mr. Diwan Singh Meena. He is about 45 years old.
शाबाश
He
बेटा.
is the government teacher. He wakes up at 5
शाबाश.
5 a.m. He goes to morning walk and he come to home 6 p.m. 6 a.m. He comes to morning walk at 6 a.m.
From morning walk. Comes back
Yes,
from the morning walk.
Yes, sir.
आगे बोलो, कोई बात नहीं. हाँ.
He goes to school. He goes to school 7
at 7
a.m. and he comes to home. He comes to home 2:30 p.m. He is very hardworking in the school and he helps me in my study.
शाबाश बेटा, बोलता घबरा मत, बहुत बढ़िया बोल रहा है. हाँ.
He is. I proud of my father. He I like my father very much, and my father love my mother and my sister, and my father love my sister. Yes, sir, that's it.
शाबाश.
Sir,
हाँ बेटा.
can we leave?
Yes.
Thank you. Radhe Radhe.
Yes, Radhe Radhe. Yes, now Lakshmi, आजा बेटा.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Today topic is my father.
Hmm.
My father's name is Mr. Om Prakash Mahawar. He is about 55 years old.
Hmm.
He goes for morning walk.
Hmm.
He wake up early morning.
Hmm.
He likes tea.
शाबाश, बोलते जाओ, बहुत अच्छा, वेरी गुड.
He has qualification. Has done 5th class.
He is 5th class passed. बस छोटा सेंटेंस बोल दो सारी बातों के लिए, आगे बढ़ो.
He is punctual.
Hmm.
He is kind person.
शाबाश, वेरी गुड.
He put pant and shirt.
Puts on. Hmm. शाबाश बेटा, बहुत अच्छा बोल रहा है बेटा. कोशिश कर, बस घबरा मत बिल्कुल भी.
Yes, sir.
हाँ. हो गया?
Yes.
कोई बात नहीं बेटा, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की है. डरा मत, घबराया मत कर, डरा मत कर, है ना. हो जाएगा, बहुत अच्छा है और हो जाएगा अच्छा, चिंता मत करो. यस युवराज.
My name is Shivraj Gupta. I am 17 years old. I live in Jaipur. Today my topic is my father. My father name is Kaluram Gupta. He is 14 years old.
14 नहीं गधे, 40.
14 years old. My father, my father, my father is handicraft work.
My father does
My
handicraft
uh,
work.
my father does handicraft work. My father are my father are very good.
Is आर क्यों, एक ही तो है.
My father is very good.
हाँ.
My father hobby is cricket.
Father's hobby, ठीक कर, ध्यान से बोल.
My father's hobby is cricket.
Cricket
He
playing or
he
watching?
sir, cricket play.
हाँ, आगे बोलो.
He qualification is 12
नहीं,
pass.
his qualification. ठीक करो इन
His
छोटे छोटे बच्चों को.
qualification
हाँ.
his qualification is 12 pass.
Hmm.
He worship God.
Worships.
Worships God.
Hmm.
He goes to temple every day.
Hmm.
He he watches TV.
Hmm.
He watches TV. He take care of all use all. He take care of use all.
मतलब यूज नहीं, अस होता है वो.
Us all.
हाँ.
Us all. I like my father very much. That's it.
ठीक कर, थोड़ा सा ध्यान दिया कर थोड़ा चीजों पे, ठीक है ना. हाँ. यस रौनक.
Hello everyone, my name is Ronak. And today's my topic is my father. My father name is Bhavesh Suthar. My father is very honest and kind man. He go to temple daily. He wake up early morning. He take breakfast in evening.
अरे एस और यस का भी ध्यान रख लिया कर.
क्या सर?
एस और यस भी लगता है वर्क फॉर्म में, थोड़ा ध्यान रख ले. हर क्लास में बताता हूँ तेरे को मैं. बोल आगे अब. अभी तो ये सोच रहा है सर क्या कह रहे हैं, इसको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है एस और यस क्या होता है. बोल 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 आगे बोल, तू ऐसे ही करेगा, बोल आगे बोल.
he like dal and chawal. He like watch cricket on TV, and his hobby is playing cricket. And he wear traditional dresses. He go to office daily. And he come on office at
Only from office.
7 from office at 7 p.m. I love my father very much.
ठीक है, ओके। वर्क फॉर्म को ठीक किया करो, ऐश्वर्या का ध्यान करो, तुमको पता ही नहीं है ऐश्वर्या का मामला क्या है। निशांत।
Yes, sir.
हाँ बेटा।
Hello everyone, my name is Nishant Saini. I am a student of Ramban online interactive classes. Today's my topic is politics.
शाबाश।
Politics is our basic need. It is a part of democracy. Democracy provide a chance to select our representative.
Very good.
In the world there are many democratic countries such as India, USA, etc. On the other hand, there are many countries such as North Korea, China. In these countries there is a dictatorship, which is very bad. In India there are many leaders such as Narendra Modi, Rahul Gandhi, etc. These belongs to many parties such as NDA, Congress, etc. These parties provide us a chance to vote for them. In India, chance is given to 18 plus peoples to vote. Some people thinks that politics is only for old peoples, but I think it is very useful for whole country. It is also, some people also thinks that it is like a quicksand, but I think it is very useful for us. Useful for us. We also support the politics to become our country in a very good position. That's it.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा, वेरी गुड। एफर्ट्स, मेन चीज ही एफर्ट्स होती है, मेन इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज एफर्ट्स। यस श्री। श्री, वेयर आर यू? श्री, कम ऑन। श्री, Shri is not here. Okay. Pinky, come.
जी सर।
कैमरा चालू करो अपना।
Hello everyone, my name is Pinky Odia. I am the student of Ramban online interactive classes. Today I am telling about my father. My father is the best in the world. He fulfills our needs. And my father name is Mr. Chotmal Olia. He is about 41 years old. He is a shopkeeper. His shop is in Malviya Nagar.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया, very good.
And he gets up early in the morning. He give water to trees at 7 a.m. He goes to morning walk. He does yoga. He takes tea and biscuit, and he helps all time. And he goes to temple at 9 a.m. Sorry, and he opens his shop at 10 a.m. and he believe in God. He watches TV in the night, and he rests sometime, and he takes smoking, and
He takes nahi,
he is a
he smokes.
he smokes, and he believe in God very much. His favorite color is white, and he keeps fast on Tuesday and Saturday. His favorite his favorite god Shri Balaji,
Is
and he goes to he goes to temple. नहीं, he goes to village. अ, महीने में एक बार को क्या बोलेंगे सर?
once a month.
Once a month, and he fulfills our needs. He is very hardworking for us, and he is very intelligent, and he sings song, and his family live in village, and he loves all people, and he respect elders, and he loves younger, and he helps poor people, and he is a very kind person, and he give grass to cow
Shabash.
daily, and he reads newspaper daily, and that's it sir.
शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा बोला, बहुत अच्छा.
Thank you sir.
कैपेसिटी को इसको डेवलप करो, बहुत अच्छा बोला. श्री आ गई क्या?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, बोल बेटो.
Hello everyone, I'm Shri and today's my topic is politics. India is a very big country and it is a democratic country. And in democracy we choose our leaders so that they can work for us and to develop our country. But it is possible that leaders can misuse their powers for their personal benefits.
शाबाश.
But
Very good.
but in our constitution, but our constitution is safeguard against this. And in democratic society, constitution has rules against this misuse of powers by leaders. And there are 6 fundamental rights in our constitution. These are right of equality, right of freedom, and right of freedom of religion, right against exploitation, and right to constitutional remedies.
आप सामने देखो मेरी तरफ, नीचे नहीं देखोगे बिल्कुल भी, ऐसे देखोगे बिल्कुल.
That's it, sir.
हाँ, नीचे देख के नहीं बोलते हैं बेटा.
That's it, sir.
हाँ, चलो ओके, ठीक है, अच्छा है, वेरी गुड. और कोई रह गया क्या? Is there anyone? I think all have taken their turn. चलिए, थैंक यू वेरी मच. लेकिन आज यहाँ से कौन कौन गायब है, कल बात करेंगे इनसे. ओके, थैंक यू.